This is a video on a Terex PT-70, 2011. It's going to be a high flow machine. There's the flow plug-ins there for your hydraulics. Going to sell it with the bucket and the forks, so those will come together. The hour meter is non-operational, not clicking them off. It does have the Perkins diesel, you see in the pictures. Overall, not a bad machine. We'll jump in it, run it around. Moved it a few times, moves out real nice. Pretty calm, cool little unit. So let's hop in here. We'll do the deal and roll. And there's the hour meter.